Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the heart rain animations to your videos in the CapCut mobile. So here I've already imported a video and you can use this animation for your video with your significant other, your couple. You can use this heart rain animation. So after you add your video, go to the animations tab. So click on the video, go to animations menu. Here under the in category, you'll easily found the heart rain effect or animation. Click on that, adjust the duration, and just click on the check icon. So this will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.